See the tree, how big it's grown, but friend, it hasn't been too long, it wasn't big. I laughed at her and she got mad. The first day that she planted it was just a twig. Then the first snow came and she ran out and brushed the snow away so it wouldn't die. Came running in, all excited, slipped and almost hurt herself. I laughed till I cried. She was always young at heart, kinda dumb and kinda smart, and I loved her so. And I surprised her with a puppy, kept me up on Christmas Eve 2 years ago. And it would sure embarrass her when I came in from working late, 'cause I would know she'd been sitting there crying over some sad and silly late show. Oh yeah, and honey, I miss you, and I'm being good, and I'd love to be with you if only I could. She wrecked the car and she was sad and so afraid that I'd be mad, but what the heck? Look at that, Cory. Though I pretended hard to be, you could say she softened me and hugged my neck. Yeah, I came home unexpectedly and I caught her crying needlessly in the middle of the day. And it was in the early spring when flowers bloom and robins sing that she went away. And honey, I miss you, and I'm being good, and I'd love to be with you if only I could. One day while I was not at home, the air was there and all alone the angels came. Look at that, Cory. Now all I have is memories of honey, and I wake up nights and I call her name. Now my life's an empty stage where honey lived and honey played, and I grew up. And a small cloud passes overhead and cries down on that flower bed that honey loved. And see the tree, how big it's grown, but friend, it hasn't been that long, it wasn't big. And I laughed at her and she got mad. The first day that she planted it, it was just a twig. And Cory, I love you. I love you, Cory. I love you. We don't even know if the thing recorded, Cory. How do you like that? How do you like that, Cory? All that work for nothing.